Ready? We're gonna surprise them, boys. Ready? We're gonna do a quickie. We're gonna click out northwest. Ready? Everyone, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Click out now, click out now, click out now, click out now. Ready? Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of the crown now, on top of the crown. Can we? Come back, come back, come back, come back. Cleanses now, root bounce now, cleanses now, root bounce now, cleanses now, root bounce now. Cleanse and root bounce. Cleanses and root bounce. Click in, click in, click in, click in, click in, click in, click in now. Click in now, click in now. Cooldown check for clappers. Cooldown check. Help the front, help the front, help the front. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Not too deep, Freya. Not too deep, not too deep, not too deep. Cooldown check, Perma. Cooldown check.
Clap ready.
Clap ready. Ready. On Eggy, okay? On this heavy mace in 3, 2, 1. On Eggy now, on Eggy now, on Eggy now, on Eggy now. Nice clap, boys. Nice clap, boys. Okay, okay. Very good, very good. Just stabilize now, just stabilize now, just stabilize
Oh, we
now.
killed one
Nice one
already.
shot, nice one shot.
Alpa, Alpa, you good? Alpa, come back to me, Alpa.
Cooldown check, cooldown check, cooldown check, cooldown check. Hey, everyone come out now, click out now, click out now, click out now, click out now. Defensives, help all pa, ready. On top of the crown, ready. On top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now, on the crown now, on the crown now. Hit it. Even if you don't have seat, then come back, come back, come back, come back. Demons up, come back inside. Demons up, come back inside, come back inside now. Come back inside, come back inside. Help us, help us, help us. We need cleanses up front. Cleanses and heals, cleanses and heals. Heal Alex, please. Heal Alex, heal Alex. Reset HP, reset HP, reset HP. Cooldown perma, cooldown perma, cooldown perma. Ready?
Northeast.
On the shield again ha. Ready? North, ready?
Walang shield, ah.
Wait. On top of the car in 3,
Guys,
2, 1. On top of the car now, on top of the car now. No. Okay. Reset CD. Just reset your CD. Reset your CD. Tapos get ready to defend the gate ha. They might push in, 30%, 30%.
27.
14.
Yeah, keep telling me cooldowns, keep telling me cooldowns. Keep telling me cooldowns.
Last hit yan, last hit.
Clap,
Hey, help keep. West. Ready. Come west. Ready. On the crown. Wait for the knight armors. Wait for them. Ready. Chill. Let them push in. Defenses now. Ready, on the choke, on the gate. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Just on the gate. On the gate, come southwest now. Huwag yung pa, si Eggy can die. Eggy can die. Brawlers, lunurin nyo na to. Pati yung mga astral loob. Come out, kick out, come west. We dive west. Split the reserve now. Look at the crown, split the reserve on the crown. Hatiin nyo na, lunurin na.
Pick ako ah.
Clap cooldown, check. Yo, Astral can die southwest. Heal southwest. Demons. All defenses. Demons. Ready, on top of the crown. Innovate, on top of the crown. Wait, on top of the crown. North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. North. One shot is. Keep diving their healers on the crown. May halo fall sa crown. Look at the shield, party 1. Look at the shield, Qs and Ws now. Look at the shield, northeast, ready. Roll northeast, keep rolling northeast now. Northeast now. The Astral can die, ready. On top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of the crown now, on the crown. Just kill these motherfuckers. Party 1, drop your East randomly. Now. Lunurin nyo na, come northwest.
The healer,
Fucking drowning them, come northwest.
Fuck mo man ah.
Come fucking north. Do not let them mount up. Keep full diving. If you're at the back, mount up. If you're at the back, come out. Mount up. If you're at the back, mount up. Just fucking drown these motherfuckers. Fucking dogs. Hello, on top of the crown. Clappers on north. Ready? North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Good job. Holy fuck, fucking dogs. Sit the fuck down. Come on.
Ano inihil na to? Wala na
Keep killing these niggas. Yo, blight on the shield, party 1. Blight on the shield. Shield mark. Kill these motherfuckers. Please, kill the blight. Come out. Do not go inside the terry.
Gago lang kung ano.
Come out. Go back to the terry. We go back to the terry. To the castle. Come back. Yo, may niggas. Come back outside. Gel.
Gacho bro.
Gel. Tangin na nito, tumataas to eh. Come out. Hey!
Wait, tapos na.
Hey!
Tanginan to.
Guys, nag-regear sila talaga. Bumalik muna kayo. No casualties,
Yung
right?
healers
Come south, come south, come south.
No, casualty, no casualty.
Alam mana ba natin
No casualty, come south. Yeah, we reset combat first, we don't have mana. Just walk, do not mount up, just walk. Left tanks look north, please. Left tanks look north. All my
Yung mga-
tanks look north now.
Yung mga DPS, Jesus Christ, if you're low, go to the healers. Do not run inside castle. They
Yes,
cannot
yes,
kill you.
yes.
Hello?
Yung
Run
healers
to the
nyo,
healers.
nasa southwest lagi. Nasa southwest yung healers nyo.
Officers,
Come,
can
come,
you
come, come.
Officers, can you loot?
Yung mga hindi plate.
Hindi naman si
na-
Tito.
Yes, loot up na, loot up.
Kung kaya mag-ano.
Loot up. Everyone, you.
Iwan ko muna.
Yeah, go. Come closer, bro.
Fake ako ah.
Ay, sol pa.
Yo, fake now, Iliad.
Kukulangin ako, di ko malulot lahat.
This is gonna be a fake boys, everyone. You're gonna inch up, you're gonna sprint ready, but you're not gonna drop east. Ready? North. You're gonna sprint north in 3, 2, 1. Everyone sprint now. Ready? Keep walking these dogs down. Follow the crown. Tank CC them. CC them all now. Ready to pop demons. Galas stacking. Careful. Come back. Ready on top of the crown, west. On top of the crown. Yo. Look at me, boys. On top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of the crown now. One shot these motherfuckers. Brawlers yung nasa tabi ng crown low na. Pwede pa, palunod. Come here, wait. Hold this soak.
Kins, pwede doon nga sa
Police
kabila.
operator.
Stop taking my space.
I'm gonna need heals on the front. Yeah, okay. Palunod nitong domeng. Kill domeng. Ready? Come north.
Nag-root ba na?
Keep coming north. West. Come west.
Galas sa akin.
Split them now.
Galak
On
lang
top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of the crown now. Can you hit this? A bit more. Ready for death. Dive east. You guys see the healer release demons now. Root bounce demons and enemies. Come on, pop it all up. Come south.
Yup.
Wait. Now come north. Wala na silang damage. Keep coming north now.
Nare-rip backline nila. Oh!
Yeah, yo, come back. Look at south, boys. Look at south.
Care, KM, stop.
Look at the crown. Ready? East of the crown. Ready? North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. One shot is fags. Holy fuck, come back. Get off the choke for now. Let's reset our defensive cooldowns. May cobra. Come back, may cobra. Yo, niggas, may cobra. Fuck, leash shot, motherfucker.
Sige po, nasa north tayo.
Come north. Hold southwest of the choke. Ready?
Yo,
You
Cobra,
have
wait.
CD clappers. They have CD clappers. Spread now through the choke. Spread. Dissect the choke. Tanks dive. Ready? I'm gonna fake west. Ready? Faking north in 3, 2, 1. Fake now. Nice. No clerical, no root bounce. Come east. We're looking east now. We're looking inside of us. Ready? Wait, I'm fucking rooted. Ready? East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of the crown now. Big. One shot the brawlers. Drown them now. Huwag nyo na pauwiin. Everyone, pop all your CCs. Huwag nyo pauwiin pa. Lalo na yung pauwiin. Let's go. Keep diving. Pag nasa terrain na, drop them. If nasa terrain na, just drop them. Okay?
West.
Kill everyone inside of you. Ready? Do you have CD? Clappers, do you have CD? You have CD. Northwest, ready on the stairs. In 3, 2, 1. On the stairs now. One shot everyone here. Mga tanks. Come back southeast. Give them the space.
Basilis oh.
Come south. Yeah, poke the basi, brawlers, poke the basi now. Malambot
Talo
na.
ko yun. Tanga nyo naman.
Come southeast.
Tama sila.
Kins, may bitbit ka bang off? Kins?
Come southeast.
Meron.
Lote mo na yan.
Yo, ito. Niga, come back.
I'm looking at auto. Sige lang.
Come southeast. Go back to the castle now. No, fuck it, we don't want the second OC on this fight. We're just gonna leave them here. Yeah, do not mount up. Just walk.
So, number 1? Okay, mali pala.
Just walk.
Gago nandyan si Mr. Fox. Ina mo.